Hello, welcome to Crafting with Kathy Lee. I am Kathy Lee. I want to welcome you to my channel and tell you that I'm going to do a quick flip through of a kit from Vals Craft Creations. This is for a design team project. The name of this kit is Firefly Serenade, and it was created by Valerie. She is the creator and owner of Vals Craft Creations. I will put links below in the description and to her Ko-fi shop and her TikTok and her Buy Me a Coffee, her creative Fabrica shop. You can find Valerie with Vals Craft Creations on all her social media. And then you will also find a list of all the different creators that are on her design team. So, without further ado, I will take a quick flip through. I usually print all of Val's images for a kit, and then I end up with a ton more than I need for a project. So I tried to be cautious on how many I printed this time, so let me show you first. I've already folded these double-sided images that I printed on a fairly nice weight bright white paper. I've separated into 3 signatures because I think I'm doing a junk journal, but don't hold me to that. I may do a junk journal where this is just the spine, but where I use this for the front because I really like that image for the front and that one for the back. So I'm just going to open one of these up at a time and we'll flip through so you can see how gorgeous these firefly images are. Probably do this here. So there's the front, and then I did journaling pages on the back. And when I open it, I want it to be so the journaling pages are kind of together, and the next page would be with the graphics. And I know they don't match up, but I have something planned here, so I hope it turns out the way I expected. So that's what I did with all of these, and you can see how pretty these images are. I'm going to go ahead and flip through these so you can see them a little better though. So there's one of the, and there's our journaling. There's a graphic, another graphic, another journaling. And like I said, I've already folded them and put them through. I will distress these white edges or cut them off. I haven't decided which. And there's another signature, and then the last signature is here. And again, I just did them double-sided with the journaling papers. Look at how beautiful these are. I'm not talking about them much because I'm going to make something with these and then do a video of what I make. I don't do a lot of tutorial videos. I really need to start, but I just don't have the time. When I craft, sometimes it's 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there, so it's not on the books right now, but it might be. So those are the journaling pages that I'm going to make. And then here's some of the other stuff that I printed. And again, I didn't print everything. There's some nice bookmark type size pieces. There's some pre-made pockets. I just have to score them. There is a bunch of tags. And these I just printed on cardstock, just plain white cardstock. And I did not do both sides on these. And here's some larger pocket stuffers. You could even make a little mini tag flip with these. Here's some little, probably for belly bands. I really like these journaling tags. There's several of those. Can you see how beautiful these images are? And again, I have white edges along here, but I will distress them or something. These look like little door knocker things that you hang on somebody's doorknob. Very pretty. And then just some rectangular pieces for journaling or embellishing or whatever, and a couple more pockets. So this kit again is Serenade. Oh boy, I lost the name in my head again. This is Firefly Serenade, and it's from Vals Craft Creations. I'll put all that information in the bottom. Come back in a few days or a week and see what I make with all of these things. If you haven't already liked this, please hit that like button and subscribe. And come back again soon. Thanks for visiting my channel. Have a good night. or day or whatever it is where you're at. Thank you.